on you. In addition, 5, spiritual wickedness in high places will be brought down.
Now, let's go over here and let's look at the where one gets shot down.
He's like right there with it. Oh, he's like right on it. That whatever it was just shut down the drone.
5, spiritual wickedness in high places will be brought down, and hot coals from heaven will fall upon your own head.
This is getting insane. Somebody just recovered molten metal that was dropped from a drone that was hovering behind their house in Wickham, England. The user posted these pictures on Reddit. This post was posted yesterday on December 23rd, and since then, it's rose to the top of the UFO subreddit with 22,000 upvotes and is going viral on X. But since then, the user's Reddit page has been deleted.
And hot coals from heaven will fall upon your own head. Number 6, death and destruction will rain down upon you, and there will be no escape. 7.
What you do have to be concerned of, my bad, my eye, but it's the orbs that's inside the sky that y'all see that's glowing and stuff, that's shooting down the drones and all that. That's not a part of us, and we will have to evacuate sooner than later. But
evacuate? What are you talking about, man?
As fire consumed the pursuers of the prophet Elijah, so too will fire consume thee, and your house will be desolate. A divine stoning is on its way. I suggest you prepare for it. This judgment is set and will not be undone. May Yah condemn you all.
You can see here in Amos chapter 9, it says, behold, the eyes of Adonai Yahweh are upon the sinful kingdom. And if they were willing to destroy off the face of the earth and save only elect back then, they'll do it to this day in this modern day kingdom. Beholding the evil and the good. So you're in every place. Sure, they're over my house watching me because I'm doing what's right. But they're also in every place looking and seeing all the wickedness that's being done. They're observing everything. Psalm chapter 7, verse 9. Oh, let the wickedness of the wicked come to an end, but establish the just. For the righteous Elohim trieth the hearts and the reins. He's testing your physical capabilities. Are you ready to fight him now? That's what he's doing when he's flying over your base. Are you aggressive enough, man, to shoot me down? Will you test your might against the king of terrors and fire weapons at him because he is sovereign and rule the heaven? You got to understand that these angels, these saints that are flying overhead, they are looking at everything. They're testing and examining your hearts. They're seeing the good. They're seeing the wicked. You can't hide from them. You can't go down under your basement and do your wickedness. You can't hide behind a dark corner. You can't do your secret sins at night and don't think that these angels aren't watching.
Light in the sky that's been going overhead is because these are the angels of the Most High Yahweh, and he's searching for his righteous people. Is that a chariot? Swing low, sweet chariot, coming forth to carry me home. Oh, and I got a few things I need to tell you. Praise Yahweh. Thank you for receiving it. Not by might nor power. Not by might nor power, but by the Spirit. That's the Spirit of Yahweh. Yeah, I got him. That's the Spirit. See it moving slow?
Yeah.
He wants us to, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit.
You don't mind you take pictures of him.
Yeah, I got a nice steady hand today. Yeah, you see him moving?
Today is Monday, so they might have different routes they take on different days.
Thank you, Yahweh, for stopping by, watching and looking upon us. And I just spoke about your chariots, for the chariots of Yahweh are 20,000, even thousands of angels. They come to save us. Hallelujah.